We'll guide you through how to make your own Cobblemon server. If you guys find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel, ringing the bell icon, and liking our video. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is come over to your web browser. Then we need to search curseforge.com. It's a reliable website to download Minecraft mods from. Once we're at CurseForge, you need to download the Cobblemon mod, the Fabric API, and the Architecture API, and make sure that all three of those mods that you're downloading are all the same version. Before I take you to the next step, I have to say a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're looking to create a Minecraft server, look no further than Apex Hosting. They provide lag-free customizable servers which are ready in just a few minutes. You can host your own adventures with ease. They offer a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support, and automated backup. Please be sure to check them out. The link will be in the description of the video, and we'll also make a comment and pin it, and you can check them out. Next up, you need to get the Fabric installer. So just go to your web browser and write in Fabric installer. Search Fabric Loader in the top bar, open the official website of Fabric. There's a big download button over here. Just click it and download the universal jar. Once you've got the Fabric installer downloaded, all we need to do is put all things on the desktop. The Fabric installer, the Cobblemon mod, the Fabric API, and the Architecture API. You can go to your download folder, wherever they've downloaded, and drag them onto your desktop. So now we'll be running the Fabric installer. Just go ahead and double click it and it will look just like this. However, if any of these files refuse to run the Fabric installer or any of the mods or any step in the future that you'll be making, it's probably because you don't have Java installed. So just go over to your browser and write java.com and search it up. The website will open up. Just hit on download Java and then hit on download Java once again. And once it's downloaded, just double click it, install it. It's pretty simple, it'll all work. Then you can go back to your file which isn't working, right click it, press open with, and then open with Java. However, if it still doesn't end up working, which it probably should, go back to your browser, open up a new tab and write jar fix download. Open it up and open up this website right here with a star on it. And then we can browse down until it says jarfix.exe highlighted in blue. Click it, download it, and repeat the process with this file. Just run it, install it, and then your installer or any file that you're having issues with will open up just fine. And if you're still having issues after doing all these things and the file just refuses to open, then you probably need the Java Development Kit, also known as JDK. So just head back to java.com. And instead of clicking download Java for desktops, this time we're going to click developer downloads under the section where it says free Java development kit downloads. Hit the developer downloads and make sure to get yourself either JDK 25 or JDK 21. I've personally tried and tested the JDK 21 and it works pretty well for me, so I'm just going to go for this one. Then you can choose your operating system. I'm on Windows, so I can choose that, and then click on the x64 installer and this blue highlighted link over here. When you click it, it should ask you where you want it to download. If it doesn't, then it's probably in the downloads folder. Once it's downloaded, just double click it, run it. It's pretty simple. They're going to guide you through it. And once you have the JDK as well, then everything should work smoothly. And that is the whole procedure you need to go through if your file just refuses to open. Once we've got the Fabric installer opened, we need to go to server right here because we're creating our own server, which we're going to mod with Cobblemon. And then select your version, which we're going for, which is 120.1 in this case. Leave the loader version as is. And now what we need to do is, before we hit install, right click on your desktop, make a new folder and name it what you want to name your server. We're going to name it Minecraft 1.20.1 Cobblemon modded. That's what I'm going to name it. And this is our folder on the desktop now. Now the launcher location, we need to actually come to the desktop, select this folder, and then we should paste it in this folder right here. And then you can go ahead and click install. It will install right into this folder and everything will be fine. Over here, if it says no valid server jar found, click on download server jar. It will be very quick. Click on generate files and click on done. And we should also probably do the same step for the client right here, because whatever files we're putting into our own Minecraft server, we need to have it locally. So it's just good to select your version here real quick and then go ahead and click install without changing the launcher location because we're downloading it locally. Hit install and you should get your server locally as well. It's just nice to have this extra protective step. Okay, once we've done this step for both the server and the client, this is going to be our server right here. Just open the folder and as you can see, it says server.jar. Then when you double click it, it's gonna make all these files and folders appear. That means it's working. So we won't be able to run the server until we agree to Minecraft or Mojang's terms of service. So just go ahead and click open this eula.txt, and over here we need to change this text which says false to true in all caps. We can just write true here. And what this means is we read Minecraft EULA, their terms of service, which I personally have, so I can just go ahead and write true, then click on file and click on save. That means we're all good to go now. Now, when we press the server jar, it's gonna load our server up. As you can see, they're preparing our world for us, so the server is gonna run now, no problems at all. So the next thing should be, you need to add the mods to the server. You should have a mods folder right here. However, if you don't, that's not a problem. Just right click it and make a new folder. Right there, I've made a new folder. Then you can copy all of these mods that we've downloaded, except the Fabric installer. We don't need that anymore. You could delete it if you want. So these 3 mods, just select them, drag them, and put them inside this mods folder right here. And as you can see, everything is done, everything is smooth, not a problem. However, before we go into the game and go into our own server, we should also add these mods locally. So just go ahead and open your Minecraft launcher. Once inside the launcher, on this drop down, you should see your Fabric loader with the correct version. All we need to do, go over to the installations, hover over the correct version, the server we're gonna load, come over to open installations folder, and look at the mods folder right here. If there isn't a mod folder right here, just right click, go to new folder and make a mods folder yourself. But you should find one here. That happens in most cases. Open this up, and we should probably remove everything that's in here previously because it may cause issues with what we're downloading now. Now, this is the folder we downloaded all the mods in. So we just copy the Cobblemon, the Fabric API, and the Architecture API, and we paste them right here. Now our game should be ready to run. Let's give it a spin. Then we can come to our game, press multiplayer, add server, name our server whatever we want. Then usually this would be a long server address, but because we are hosting the server locally, all we have to do is write local host and then press done. And as you can see, our server is right here. We can then jump into the server. As you can see, the Cobblemon mod has loaded up. We can tell by the pop-up on the top right side. If you press our M key, this is the Cobblemon mod menu. These are the cute Pokemons that you can play around with, and when interacting with the user interface, it makes beautiful noises. Now I will teach you how to do this exact same thing, but if you're using a hosting platform like Apex Hosting. If you want to visit Apex Hosting yourself, you could check out the link in our description or the pinned comment. Hit that link and you'll reach the website of Apex Hosting. Once you've navigated to Apex Hosting, just click open your server. Apex Hosting actually offers 24/7 server hosting, so your servers won't go down even if you end up shutting your PC down, which is a huge plus. And they also have automated backups, so you don't have to worry about losing your progress at all. It's all very safe, it's in safe hands. And under the game file section, click this file right here and search Fabric over here, or Forge if you're using the Forge loader. Look for the version you're using, select this, and press save. Once you've done this, you can head over to FTP file access right here. Just click this open, and over here you'll need to write the password that they've given you through your email. If you have a mods folder here, that is great. If you don't, like I don't, you just need to make a new folder, and inside, of course, is going to be empty. So what we need to do is click on this upload button over here, click on the Cobblemon, the Fabric API, and the Architecture, and place them right inside here. It's going to take a second to upload. Once they're uploaded, you will be good to go. You can just restart your server once and then play it, and then your Cobblemon mod will be inside your Apex Hosting server. That's been it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like the video. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Peace.